Good afternoon, everyone. Shelly here with Zips and AEW Direct, and we are going to be talking about pivot pin replacement for the heavy-duty Miller Industries unit. There comes a time in every heavy life where the pivot pin certainly needs to be replaced. It is very much a daunting task. There are all kinds of ingredients or parts needed for this pivot pin replacement. There are two different kinds of washers, bushing, top, bottom, O-ring, and every single one of those has its own individual part number. And while you certainly could go online and find every single little part number that you needed and put it into your bucket and then check out and purchase it, we have put it all together for you in a kit. Because, let's be honest, if the pin needs to be replaced or the brass bushing needs to be replaced, chances are everything needs to be replaced, and this is a great time to do it. So this kit is going to, from top to bottom, replace everything you need. If you have a 50-30, a 51-30, a 52-30, also a 70-35, it'll work on a 90-55, and then an SDU. These are units that have the 5x5 crossbar. So we have our brass bushing, we have the top and the bottom pivot pin, of course, we've got the bolts, the lock washers, and then the thrust washers. And there's one thing, you cannot forget the O-ring. So this is every single thing that you're gonna need aside from lubrication for this entire heavy duty kit. If we put this all together, it's gonna be several part numbers, but we have one part number, and I'm gonna cheat here and look at it. It is WL5030K1. So just remember 5030K1. WL-5030K1. And we have, the last time I checked before I came up here, I think we have 12 of these kits on the shelf. They retail for $816, and the shipping is going to be free because they ship in this box right here, UPS ground, and we are not going to charge you for shipping. If you have any questions, feel free to call us, 800-222-6047. Our website is going to be zips.com, or send us an email at zips@zips.com. We love hearing from you. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day. Thank you.